So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure ABCDE is a regular pentagon. So this ABCDE is a regular pentagon. AB is 4 centimeter. So this side length is 4 centimeter. APD is a sector. So you can see that this APD is a sector and this BQC is a semicircle. So this is one semicircle you can see. This is B point, this is Q point and this is C point. PQ is tangent to both the curves. So this black line you can see here, this is tangent to both this sector and this semicircle. So we have to find this length of PQ. So this is the problem. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. We are in the problem it is given that AB is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter and this is a regular pentagon. So all sides, this side, this side, this sides, all sides are equal to 4 centimeter. In regular pentagon, all sides are equal. And so this BC will also be 4 centimeter. And let's assume this N is the center of this semicircle, and R dash is the radius of this semicircle. So we can easily say that this 2 times R dash is this BC distance, which is 4. So from here we can find the radius of the semicircle as 2 centimeter. So C is the point on this semicircle and B is the point on this semicircle and N is the center. So this distance is 2 centimeter and this distance is 2 centimeter, which is R dash, which is the radius of the semicircle. And now, so you know R dash has 2 centimeter radius of the semicircle, and let's assume this is the point on the semicircle, which is P point. So let's denote this point by P. So we can see that this P point is on semicircle and we can easily say that Pn distance is equal to the 2 centimeter, which is the radius of the semicircle. And this PQ is tangent. PQ is tangent. So if we join P and N point and draw one line and this is the tangent, so we can know that this angle is 90 degree. This is simply perpendicular to the tangent from the center. So this angle is 90 degree. And now you see I draw this MN line also, which is parallel to the QP line. So if this distance is 2 centimeter and this QP line is parallel to the MN line, and I also draw this QM line which is perpendicular to this MN line. So these two things are done additionally. So you can easily see that then this QM distance will also come as 2 centimeter. And this QPNM, this QPNM is a rectangle then, because this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, two sides have the same length, and these two sides are also have the same length, and these angles are 90 degree. So this is a rectangle property. So this is a rectangle. So now you can also know this EQ distance is 4 centimeter, which is the radius of this sector, because this is the side length, which is also 4 centimeter and which is also equal to the radius. So this distance is also 4 centimeter. So for this sector, this side length is equivalent to the radius. So now we know all these things. Now what we can do further? If you look at the triangle CDE, this is the C, this is the D, this is the E. We know this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this angle is 108 because it is a regular pentagon. So you can easily find this side by applying cosine rule, which is CE square is equal to DE square plus DC square minus 2 times CD multiplied by DE multiplied by cos of 108. So this is 4 square plus 4 square minus 2 times 4 multiplied by 4 and cos of 108. Cos of 108 is 1 minus root 5 divided by 4. And here after simplifying it will come as 24 plus 8 root 5, which is equal to CE square. So we know this distance. Now you look at the triangle CNE. So this is C, this is N, this is E. So you see this figure, the N is the center of this semicircle, and about this point, this figure is dividing, this whole figure is divided into two equal parts. Above and below part are exactly the same, are the mirror replica of each other. So we can easily see that this angle is 90 degree. because this whole angle is 180 degree. So if above part and below part are exactly same, then the angle will also be exactly same both side. So this will be 90 degree. Because of symmetry, we can easily see that. And now you apply the Pythagorean theorem in the triangle CNE, which is C is this, N is this, E is this. You know this side from the previous calculation, and you know this is 2 centimeter, which is the radius of the semicircle. Then you can calculate this EN distance. So the EN square is equal to CE square minus CN square. This we know as 24 plus 8 root 5, and this is 2 square. So after simplifying, it will come as 20 plus 8 root 5, which is NE square. So now you know this. So now there is another right angle triangle, which is this M, N and E. So in this right angle triangle, you can write Mn square is equal to this En square minus Em square. En square you calculated as 20 plus 8 root 5, and this Em is this 4 plus this 2, which is 6. So this is 6 square. So it will come as 8 root 5 minus 16. So this is Mn square, and after taking square root, it will come as 1.374 centimeter. So now we know Mn distance, and initially we see that this QPMN is a rectangle. So this Mn distance is equal to this QP distance, which is the distance we have to find out the PQ length. So it will come as 1.374 centimeters. So in this way we can solve this problem.